Hi everyone, this is the design I'm going to be showing you today. And here are some of the products that I will be using. I will try to link the stamping plate from Injubis in the description box below for you. This was Sarah R's plate. Here you can see I'm just stamping the image onto my nail. And now I'm going to be using the May gel, and I'm going to draw in the parts of the leaf that are missing to make it look like a full leaf on my nail. And then I'm going to take that same May gel, fill in any of the lines that I need to fill in, and then I'm going to go over those lines. And I only need to do one coat on top, because when I apply the gold paint from EMI, all this detailing will show up. So here I am again, just filling in, making that kind of like a full leaf. There it is, all done, and I only did one layer, and I of course cured it. And here I am applying this EMI gold paint, and it is a beautiful paint that comes in a silver and gold in a collection. Now EMI is no longer available to purchase in the United States. The only distributor that they had is not selling the product anymore. You can only get it online at EMI's website. It is in Russian and you will need to translate it. It's kind of difficult to order now, any of their products, but if you would know somebody in another country that may order it for you, you could do that. But it is just a beautiful gold paint. And it's really air dry. I mean, you can put it in your lamp, but just the heat from the lamp is going to dry it, because it's not really UV or LED. It's just a gold paint. Just beautiful. And I really only need to do one layer, but I can come in and go over some spots. And here you see, I'm just going to use my liner brush and go around the outside here and then fill in anywhere that I need to that might be thin on the paint. And look at that. It's just beautiful. I'm going to use the top coat by the Gel Bottle ink. I honestly think that Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat works much better over the EMI paint, and it works great over foils. But this Gel Bottle ink, it did okay, but on the other designs that I did here, I went and used the Madame Glam because I just thought it was less brassy. Here I am just using the liner again to go around the edge with the top coat. I really like how this turned out. And of course I will cure that for 1 minute. Now I do want to show you here, I did stamp the image, and now I'm going to show you how you can just remove a part of the leaf and change the design. I really wanted to show you that. And look, if you use gel polish when you stamp, you can use acetone over it and it doesn't ruin your manicure. But by removing the certain parts of this leaf, I get another shape. Can you see that? And of course, this is just done the same way that I did the last nail. Exactly. Just go over and fill in where the parts of the leaf are not there. Just what I did in the last design that you saw. And here it is. It's beautiful. And this one I'm freehanding an oak leaf and an acorn. And I did speed up the video because I didn't want it to be too long for you. And it is still the same process. I just draw it out and then I cure it and go over it one more time, a second time. Here I am filling in the acorn. And I also do a little bit of detailing on the top part of the acorn. And here I am painting with the EMI gold paint. I love that paint. It's beautiful. Just using that detailer brush around the edges of the drawing that I did here. And another freehand, just branches and some leaves. Real simple. And then I am just finishing up, filling it in for the first layer. All right, I did the second layer and now I'm just adding some detailing, just some veins in the leaf. And that will all come to life when you put the gold paint over it, as you saw before. And there's another look at that beautiful image, just beautiful. And that's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.